What's up guys, welcome to another video. So Samsung opened the stage at December last year when they released the first set of the 2020 A series, the A51 and the A71, and they were like,
awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life.
Yeah, that's my favorite ad, but hey, come back. So today I got my hands on the Samsung A51 and I'm here to make an honest review of the device. So grab a popcorn if you like and let's head to the video. The first thing you should notice is the good quality design of the device. I have the Y variant that gives this nice looking hue effect when it reflects. There is a microphone at the top, volume and power buttons at the right, and the SIM card tray at the left. Then we have the headphone jack, speaker grill, charging port which is USB Type-C, and the bottom microphone that supports noise cancellation. The screen is Gorilla Glass 3 and the back is plastic. Although Samsung calls it plastic, it feels like plastic. So holding this device is a nice experience because of how sleek it is. It feels very slim and, to be honest, it has the design of a flagship device. The display on this device is crazy. I mean, the awesome screen that they talked about in their advert was no jokes. It has a Super AMOLED touchscreen with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. Like I said, Gorilla Glass 3. Man, this device displays pretty bright colors. You might not notice it through the camera, but using it in the wild is a good experience. It comes with Android 10 and Samsung's One UI 2.0. I couldn't spend enough time with this device to check out the new Android 10 features, but I noticed this nice animation on the punch hole camera when you are on the lock screen. It pops out and goes in, and there is this Galaxy wearable app. I think it lets you connect your wearables to your phone, obviously. The memory is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, although there are other memory variants, 4GB and 128GB, and 6GB and 128GB. A 4000 mAh battery, and its chipset is the Exynos 961110nm chipset, the same old chipset that was on the A50s, and the Mali G72 MP3 GPU, which translates that it should have a decent gaming ability. The security is the under-display optical fingerprint scanner and the face unlock. Samsung nailed it in the camera department on this device with a nice looking quad camera module at the back, equipped with 48MP main, 2MP ultra wide, 5MP telephoto and the 5MP depth sensor with the LED flash. It can shoot 2160p at 30fps and 1080p at 30, 60, 120 fps. Speaking of the selfie camera, Samsung keeps getting better at their punch hole technology, with the punch hole being smaller than that of the Note 10. At times it feels like it's not even there. It's equipped with 32MP lens and it can shoot 1080p at 30 fps. To be honest, practical usage of these cameras are pretty cool. It shoots steady videos too. The price of this device is about 300 or 105,000 naira in Nigeria. So in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is good for anyone that can pay $300 for a mid-range device with good specs and some of the qualities of the flagship devices. Trust me, it's worth your money. But if you can't afford that much, you can sit on cool and wait for the A21, A31 or A11 that will be released soon. If this video was useful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. More subscribers simply tells YouTube that the channel is credible and makes good content. So if you want to be of help, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Peace and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.